Hello, welcome to Story Time with me, Bobby. I'd like to tell you a little story about a man who was not getting very good sleep. In fact, he was getting terrible sleep, and it was ruining his life. Until one day, this man woke up to a Facebook ad about Relax by Dr. Ian Stern. Adrenal repair theme formula. That formula would essentially change this young man's life. How do you ask? Well, sleep, or lack thereof, is almost like the sun and the moon. It kind of controls everything. The tide, gravity, those things that make the world what it is. Well, sleep makes the world what it is for your body. So if you're not getting any, your world's going to be upside down, right? Right. That man was me. I was not getting any sleep. I have not had good sleep in like 15 years since I got out of the Marine Corps. Alright? Now, I'm not a celebrity. I'm not getting paid for this video. I simply wanted to put this video out to you so you can get a good night's sleep if you're suffering from PTSD and lack of sleep or depression or overeating. All those things, a lot of those things are tied directly to your lack of sleep. Therefore, if you get good sleep, it's going to decrease the problems that you're having in your everyday life, like I've been having. Dr. Stern is a solid dude, alright? He's going to, if you message him, without even purchasing, you can message him, tell him what's going on in your life, and he's going to tell you if this is for you or not. He's going to respond almost immediately, and it's actually him. He's a good, solid, squared away guy, right? He's going to take care of you. And, no, this stuff is not super expensive, but it's not cheap either. Alright, so I'm not trying to sell you on something. Alright, because if you're not worried about sleep, like, you don't want to spend the money, I get it. You may not have it, alright? But I'm telling you, if you talk to Dr. Stern, he's going to help you out. He helped me out, and the very first night I took this stuff, I could feel it working almost immediately. Maybe 15 minutes in, sitting on the couch with the wife and my little girl, I could feel it, my body starting to relax. It was starting to calm. Like, I just felt like this calm come over my body, right? I still felt like I could operate machinery effectively, but maybe 30, 45 minutes later, if we got our little girl down to sleep, we get in the bed, my head hits the pillow, that's the last thing I remember. And normally I'm tossing and turning. When I start to fall asleep, I feel like I was falling. And it, throw me into like wake myself up, trying to right myself. And, or I would, I'm a thinker, I'm an analytical, constantly processing thoughts about things to do the next day, what happened the day of, and how I could make things better, how I could improve, and yet all the while struggling with waking up dreading being alive because I'm just so tired. I have no energy. I haven't been to the gym in like 10 years. Got all this weight gain, and so all these things compound, right? And especially when you're not sleeping, it makes all these things so much worse. And so you're wondering, what can you do? I also have sleep apnea. Alright, and they've got me on a CPAP, but I can't wear that stuff on my face. Like, I can't wake up with something attached to my, to my face, or fall asleep with things dumping air in my nostril, But I'm telling you, I took this medicine, and it's not even medicine, like, it's not, like, it's over the counter, right? The morning after I took it, for the very first time, I woke up feeling like I'd actually gotten some rest. I felt energized, like I had drank a red line you know, but I wasn't jittery. I was just like, I was ready to kick the day in the pants, you know. Maybe slap some people around, or go hit the weights in the gym after I finished, you know, just kind of plow through my day of activities, you know. Man, I got a busy lifestyle, y'all. Like, I'm constantly gone on the Harley, and when I'm not, I'm at home with the kids and the wife, and, you know, my wife's good looking, so I gotta keep after her, you know what I mean, and I've never had the energy, and the first day I took it, like, zipped through the day, ready to make things happen, you know, and I actually felt like, hey, you know what, I got the energy to go get in the gym, and go PT, get a little PT session in, do a little, you know, maybe a mile. I used to run like 10 miles. I didn't like to, but I could do it, you know, but now it's like I'm going to struggle with one. So, you know, I'm ready to set my game back up, y'all. And like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. This is not anything but other than me trying to get this product out to people who need it like I did. I wish I would have had it earlier, you know. But thank you, Dr. Stern, for bringing this to the table. I know if you're a veteran and you're suffering from PTSD and you're suffering from lack of sleep and you're suffering in any way, to hit this man up on Facebook, hit him up on Messenger. He will message you back, and he's gonna hook you up on this stuff, guys. I'm telling you. And you don't have to be a veteran. Like, if you just have a hard time going to sleep, period, for whatever reason, or you're not getting good sleep. As soon as I took this, the next night my wife took it. She has restless leg. Guess what? She also has a bladder the size of a pebble. Alright? And she wakes up like 10 times to go pee. I didn't wake up this time with her getting up, and she didn't wake up. She like did not wake up at all. Restless leg. Y'all, I'm telling you guys, like, a friend of mine had recently started getting it. My sister is starting to get on it. Try it. Don't believe me. Try it for yourself. You're gonna be a believer, and you'll be sitting here making this video just like I am. Thank you guys for watching. Get out. Fix your sleep. Get some sleep recovery. Relax by Dr. Ian Stern. Change your life. Thank y'all.